know, I told my buddy the other day, it was like, man, every Intrepid hasn't been properly stolen and re-registered at least once. It'd be disappointed today. Like, I see Winnipeg harder core than the Stones of LA.
So you could be.
Well, I don't know, this man's a warrior. Going down and dropping. He dropped the fucking gun.
Ils se tiennent après, c'est ça qu'ils font.
On fait un spectacle. C'est vrai, un parc en liste. There's no Canadian flag.
Hey.
Look, seriously, on that side there's no Canadian flag, that's for sure. There's one kind of a Canadian flag there, you can see there in the middle. White and blue and yellow, but I never saw that fucking Canadian flag. Okay, no, il est là. On the left side there,
Oh yeah, I see it.
between the blue and the, I think it's not Irish. You see it?
Yeah, it's got the blue on it, and the other side of it's got.
Yeah, but look on the left side there, you can see like the skinny ones, the blue ones, Canadian one, and after there's a black and Sweden, not Sweden, but looks like a Canadian flag.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, there's the black one.
Yeah, eh? That's what I was thinking
It's
about.
black, blue, and it looks like Canadian.